Hey there! Welcome to our little corner of YouTube, the Ivriy American channel. Our family's not just about growing plants, we're cultivating something much bigger here.
Our channel is about growing more than just plants. It's about cultivating knowledge, unity, and generational wealth for Black families.
From our garden to our homeschool setup, we're all about that Black-owned family business life.
Dad, look what I found in my science book. It's all about financial education for African Americans.
That's great, son. Being African American business owners isn't always easy, but it's so rewarding.
And don't forget about our family meetings, Dad. That's where we practice self-governing.
You're absolutely right, sweetie. It's all about building generational wealth for Black families.
Daddy, look what I found in the garden shed.
Well, what's this mysterious glowing seed? It says, family business success. Whoa. Well, folks, looks like we've got quite the decision to make. What do you say, family? Should we plant this mysterious family business success seed?
I think it could be a great opportunity, but we should consider the risks too. That's part of financial education for African Americans.
I say we go for it. Think of all we could learn about being African American business owners.
But what if it doesn't work out? We've worked so hard on our garden already. Right then, let's put it to a vote. All in favor? Aye. And just like that, we planted our seed of opportunity. Boy, did it grow fast.
Look at that. It's like our Black-owned family business shooting up to the sky.
Up we go then. Careful now, it's a bit slippery.
Daddy, I'm scared. It's so high.
Don't worry, little one. Here, let me help you.
You know, this reminds me of how a business grows. It starts small, but with nurturing and hard work, it can reach great heights.
Look, the leaves are shaped like dollar bills and the clouds look like piggy banks.
Well, it's like we're climbing right into a world of generational wealth for Black families.
That's right. And just like in business, we need to keep climbing, even when it gets tough.
You're turning this into a homeschool lesson, aren't you, dear?
Always. Learning opportunities are everywhere, especially when it comes to financial literacy.
And that's what our channel is all about. Finding those everyday moments to grow and learn together as a Black-owned family business. We've reached quite the crossroads here. Quick riches that way and sustainable growth this way.
We should think carefully about this. Quick riches might seem tempting, but sustainable growth is key for generational wealth in Black families.
Let's vote on it, like we do in our family meetings.
Look out, family, it's financial challenges. Let's use our skills to overcome them. That's it. We're using our Black-owned family business skills to conquer these challenges.
James, look at those storm clouds. They're headed straight for our beanstalk.
Maybe we should go back down. It's too hard up here.
Wait, James. Remember why we started this journey?
You're right, dear. This is about more than just us. It's about building generational wealth for Black families.
And showing what African American business owners can do.
We can't give up now. We've learned so much about homeschooling and self-governing.
You're all right. This storm might be tough, but our family is tougher. Let's take a moment to regroup and remember all we've learned about gardening our success.
Well, folks, looks like it's time to, pull ourselves up by our clay bootstraps. Or should I say, our clay roots. That's the spirit. Now let's show what a Black-owned family business can do. Look, our beanstalk is getting stronger. It's like watching our generational wealth grow. It's a whole city made of clay. And look, there's our garden bigger than ever. And a school for homeschooling, and a community center for self-governing.
Even a bank that says generational wealth for Black families. Our financial education paid off.
Well, folks, looks like we've grown more than just a business. We've cultivated a whole community of African American business owners. Looks like our Ivriy American channel has really taken root and blossomed. Well, folks, looks like our little seed grew into quite the family business. Join our Ivriy American journey. Subscribe and, share your family business stories below. Share your stories below.
I can't believe that you came into my life. into my life.